Good morning, dear children. In lesson 9, part 6, again IUPAC name. Practice will be there, and then I will tell you about the isomerism. So first compound I will write here, coordination compounds. So today in Zoom class I had explained you that Cr H2O whole 4 Cl2 NO3. So the name of the compound will be tetra aqua dichlorido, then central metal atom chromium on oxidation state and nitrate. Leave the space here, nitrate. So what is the oxidation state here? -2 and -1. -3 chlorine, -1 NO3, -1. So it is -3 Ne3 oxidation state. So the name of the compound is tetra aqua dichlorido chromium 3 nitrate. Second compound is CO NH3 CO3 Cl. So here it will be pentaamine then carbonato. CO3 will be known as carbonato cobalt and cobalt chloride oxidation state chloride. What is the oxidation state here? This is neutral and this is -2. Carbonate is -2 charge and Cl is -1. So it is 3 chloride. Then comes third one is Mn H2O whole 6 SO4. So it will be written as hexa aqua, then manganese, sulfate oxidation state and sulfate. So sulfate is 2, this is neutral, so 2 sulfate. Do not forget to leave space here, okay. Then fourth one is COCl2 PN2 SO4. PN means ethane 1,2-diamine. So it will be dichlorido. इस बार we have to put base. क्यों base? Because name में डाई लगा ethane 1,2-diamine. So base ethane 1,2-diamine. Then cobalt, then oxidation state, then leave some space and then sulfate. So what is the oxidation state of cobalt here? It is in is neutral, so -2, -1 into 2 is -2 and -2 4, so it is 4. In Roman we will write here 4. So the name of the compound is dichlorido bis ethane 1,2-diamine cobalt 4 sulfate. Fifth one is K3FeC2O4 thrice. So the name of the compound is, this time this is cation, this part is cation and this is anion. So the name of the compound is potassium, okay, trioxalato ferrate. From where ferrate came? And ferrate ka oxidation state what it would be beta? This is -2, so -2 into 3 is -6 and 3, so it is ferrate 3, okay. Then comes sixth one, K3Al C2O4 thrice So it would be potassium, again cation and anion, potassium trioxalato, aluminate, trioxalato, aluminate, and valency of aluminium is again minus, this is minus 2 into 3 minus 6, so x minus 6 is equal to minus 3, so x is equal to 3, aluminate 3. So the name of the compound is potassium trioxalato aluminate 3. We know when this is in the form of anion, तो metal ion के साथ ATE suffix will be put. Fine. Now we will talk about the isomerism that we were continuing yesterday. Geometrical isomers, geometrical isomerism, the geometrical isomers of compound is COCl2 En twice, COCl2 En twice. So it is drawn like this. This is cobalt, Cl2 NCl, Cl, and En twice. So there are two options. En, first is En we will write here, and En we will write here. So you know this will be and here this is cobalt. This is trans type. Why? Because the same groups are not near each other, not adjacent to each other. So this is trans isomer. And if I write here CO, then I write here Cl, and second Cl is also adjacent to this. And then I will draw En and En. So En I will write here En. You will draw like this. Why it is drawn like this, beta? Because En has two centers and two pairs of donates, didentate ligand, and En. So again it will go. Okay. So something like that. So ECl, Cl are adjacent to each other, En are adjacent to each other. So it will be known as cis isomer. Another type of geometrical isomerism occurs in octahedral complexes में और octahedral coordination entity क्या हो जाएगा? Another type of geometrical isomer we will show when this is known as facial and meridian. Okay, so let me show you. This is in the type of A3B3 type. A3B3 type molecule entity. Okay, entity. So let me show you the example of CO, NH3 thrice, and NO2 thrice. So this is when this is in this form, CO, NH3, NH3 and NH3. Then NO2, NO2, NO2 and then NO2. So when this is in this form, this is we see that all the three are adjacent to each other. Okay, adjacent positions, and so this is known as face isomer. When this is in this form cobalt, then NH3, one NH3 this side, let it be, one NH3 this side, let it be, another NH3 here, another NO2, then NO2 and NO2. So when they are on the border of the meridian, positions are meridian of the at the meridian of the octahedron, meridian of the octahedron, then it is MER type, meridional isomer, or mer isomer. Okay. So then optical isomers. So today I will not tell you more, but optical isomerism. Optical isomerism. Optical isomers are, there are 4 points you have to remember. They are mirror images. Optical isomers are mirror images. Second is, they cannot be superimposed on one another. They can't be superimposed on one another. Third one is, they are known as enantiomers. They are called enantiomers. And the molecules which are not superimposed on one another, molecules or ions which are non-superimposable are called chiral. Children, you must be remembering, you have read this term chiral in the haloalkane and haloarine. There, when the carbons, all 4 valencies were satisfied with different groups, it was known as chiral carbon or asymmetric carbon. Here, the non-superimposable molecules are known as chiral molecule, and this optical, and they are found in 2 types, dextro and levo. Dextro means they rotate plane of polarized light in right direction. And they rotate in left direction. Okay. It is common in optical isomers. Optical isomerism is common in octahedral complexes involving didentate ligand. So, the octahedral complexes which have didentate ligand, like one example only I will show you today, that is COEN thrice 3+. Children, this is didentate ligand between 1,2-diamine. So, now let us draw the mirror image of this CO, then EN, another EN, and third EN. So we know it has to be represented like this. दो center है इसलिए. Okay. Now draw the mirror image. So in mirror image, what happens? It will turn like this, beta. So CO, this EN will shift this side, EN. Then this EN will come this side. So EN ऐसे shift हो जाएगा, EN. And the third one is EN. So, this is known as mirror image, and this is 3+ is charged there, so let it be 3+. Okay, this is dextro and this is levo, and this is mirror. So in this way we say that COEN thrice 3+ is denoted by dextro compound and levo compound. This is known as optical isomerism because they both are non-superimposable on each other. If you will slide it एक दूसरे के ऊपर, they will not be superimposed. Okay, so go through this. Tomorrow I will tell you another examples. Thank you.